Time has come. It is chicken processing day. As always, we'll bring you guys along. This is our third processing day, so I feel like we're starting to get it down. We know what to do. We're just getting everything ready, everything washed and bleached, getting the pot ready, whatever that may be, the plucker. Have some ice for the coolers. I think we've got everything that we need. So yeah, we're just kind of getting set up, and then we're gonna start going. We've got about 20 some birds, which I think is going to be a good number today, because last fall we did like 50 some, and that was a lot. That wasn't a lot. Did you have fun doing it? Did you have to cut them all up? It was a lot for me. Okay, not a lot for Joe, but yeah, so we're excited and we'll bring you along. Help us. Getting the ice bath ready. Oh my goodness, those are so pretty. You gonna put them on the farm stand?
No, I want to put them somewhere.
Yeah, we're gonna put them in the farm stand, buddy. So
Make it look all pretty.
I said get some chickens.
Alright.
Chicken. Say y'all too, like crazy.
You gotta get in.
Here, Joe, if you get one hand me. You have to mask my face. Yeah, I'm kind of scared. Jackson's
Is it too heavy for you?
Yeah, those.
Okay.
I'm scared. I don't want to be able to pick up. What?
There you go. Just pick him up by his feet. There you go. Nice. Gonna help me?
I don't need help.
Oh, we gotta hold both feet then. Got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad! A chicken!
Good job, Jack.
Oh, he liked Jack better than you.
Yes. Well, he knows what's coming next.
Yeah, I'm going.
I mean, it wasn't like...
Yeah, we just tried it once. It was almost. Dad's gotta scald these first.
Okay. Wait, Joe. I'm gonna come here.
How long does that go for?
I think it was 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, we're gonna.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
Were you not videoing?
Shush now. Okay, it is.
Help me put these on.
I cannot. Can you not
Okay. What are you doing now?
We are taking the guts and the organs out, and then we're gonna make these skinlets and process them down since the scalding process did not go as planned.
Those first chickens in the scalder usually take a little longer.
Well, and we learned what we aren't putting more than one in at a time.
Okay. They're just a little big for you.
Who cares?
Sure. Wait, can I get some more? Oh, that one's steaming. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't grab enough. Would you like to see some organs?
Lucky? Can you help Lucky?
Anyone want a
go in?
pedicure?
So we're just
I want to try
the knee.
that. Okay. So then.
Oh!
Mom. So like
Save
right here.
those. Yep. So cut a little bit,
Like that.
and then kind of. Oh no! That's unsafe cutting. All right. So you cut a little, and then you come underneath. And you see how the bones.
Mhm.
And then you go like that. It takes a little bit of force. So. You can cut one after Sophia.
Right here.
Yep, so usually I go like this, and then I go like that to make a hole. And then if you need to cut a little bit more, otherwise make a hole that your
Right here.
little bitty hand can go in. And then try to
Yeah,
get
she'll
all the way
probably be
to the
better
top.
at that than us.
Yeah, you need a smaller hole. Grab as
I
much
can
as you
barely get it in.
You a little bit bigger?
Yeah.
You just wanna
You gotta like.
gotta be careful not to cut any of the guts open or anything.
Shove it back.
It's dainty.
And then just grab as much as you can.
I want to cut one. Mom, can I do one?
Yeah, after Sophia.
Do I have to wear gloves?
Yes.
Okay.
Give it the chicken.
There you go.
Oh. I dropped the glove.
Don't use it then. Or set it over somewhere. I'll use
Too
it.
bad.
Yeah, you can use it for something else. But
Too late. I already folded it.
The esophagus is hard to pull out sometimes. Oh, you're hurt.
Whoa. Oh, whoa. Sorry.
It's got all fat around its booty hole. Funny.
Yeah.
Booty hole. I can get the rest and then scrape up the lungs.
So like.
Or the lungs are like on
Right
either side.
here.
No, that's the spine. So the lungs are on either side.
Got something.
Don't cut yourself on that.
yeah, careful. Scrape yourself pretty good with that. I think I got it all. Alright.
There's something in.
Cooler,
I
bud.
think it's the
But one.
This one.
trachea or esophagus.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, that one's hard to get out. Alright, see this really right up here?
Yeah.
That's the lung still.
Can I do one yet?
Oh.
As soon as Dave brings one down, I bet Elma will help you.
Not really.
Woo! This is cold. Actually, it feels good though.
Daddy,
Hello?
when will you have
got like I feel like I'm getting something from the neck.
Just putting on in the pucker.
Huh? Yeah.
How long do you want this? Is that going
Till
on?
she's done.
She's done.
That's what editing is for.
Yeah,
Okay.
unfortunately. Jack, what were you doing?
Oh Lord. Did you get more chickens for Dad?
Show did more chicken for that.
Are you playing in the mud?
Mom, can I try to do one by myself? But you watch. Okay, I think that's good, right?
Sophia, the next one is all mine.
You're done, Sophia?
I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can stick your hand.
All right. Joe's turn.
You gotta pull it all out at once.
Hold the chicken with your other hand. Good job.
Look out, Sophia. I don't want to touch it.
Ugh. Flies are coming out. Yep, you got the heart. Okay, you're making him poop though.
That's why I have mine on the edge of the table for.
That's your
Start
finger
with-
footy. Try to get this down a little bit. Make it a little bit easier for you. Okay, now get it. Yep, grab it all.
You got some?
Whoa. That's a good one.
I don't get why it's warm, really.
Because they're warm when they're alive.
Just like you're warm when you're alive. You're 98.7 or 97.8, something like that.
I'm gonna put. I need to. Can I
Uh-oh.
use this?
Yep. Let me cut this off first, please.
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going up there.
Why? Well, then when you get to the house, you're gonna have to wash your hands. Huh? You're gonna have to wash your hands.
No, I'm not going to wash the whole time.
Yeah, you're still gonna have to wash your hands.
So that's not what you're doing, buddy. Do you see this bright red spot up there? That's the one. You gotta scrape that out.
Oh my.
But you know,
Yep.
In my car.
Make sure you wash your hands really good when you get up there.
Can I wash them up here?
Your face blood.
Look at this.
Throw it.
What are you making, Jack?
You need a bath?
nope.
Nope.
Dinner time.
fun?
My head still hurts when the door bit me. Bungee.
All right, the hard part's done. All the birds are processed. They are sitting in our ice bath coolers. We'll let them sit there for a bit while we finish up cleaning, bleaching everything, getting it all ready. And then we will begin the bagging process, which does not take as long and it's pretty simple. I don't mind bagging. Don't enjoy cutting up the chickens, but once you get to your flow going and like you remember how you're supposed to do everything, it goes a lot better, but it just takes a minute. Also, I just need a moment of appreciation for our farm stand. The peonies are peony this weekend, and they're so pretty. And so we made a little vase. Isn't that pretty? Anyways, still have 4 dozen. No one has come today, but that's okay. We need to get some like better signage, because unless you're actually driving by slow, probably not noticing what it is. So that's on my to-do list, but I'm running up to the house to get towels so that we can kind of get everything dried off. And when we take the birds out of the bath, we give them a little pat dry before we put them in the bag. So we're moving right along. Might need an energy drink soon, but we're getting there. Also on the to-do list today, we have a lot of hay to put away. We were able to make it dry though, which is awesome. We were a little unsure because the Canadian wildfires were like bringing in a lot of smoke, and it wasn't drying out very fast, but they are dry enough. We didn't want to stack them inside just yet last night. We wanted to let them air out a little bit. But oh my gosh, if you guys could smell this. So they are spraying. Yeah, so exciting, I know. Okay. What?
In case we take videos, then it's
Yes, so clean. Already taking a video. Okay. We're basically about set up. We're just waiting for our water to get hot, which it's at 200. Yay. Okay. Birds have had a nice ice bath. So now we're gonna get them into bags and shrink wrap them, courtesy of the children. All right, I'm gonna get some of these birds out. Let them start drying. Oh, we missed some feathers. Cool.
I wonder if I should turn this off.
Oh, we don't want it to get.
Hot?
So we don't want it to get
Yeah, because
not
it's
hot
up to,
enough.
well, I know that it's going to be close to boiling.
Oh, okay. All right, got our birds. We're still trying to figure out what these dots are. Google says they might be gnat bites, which that honestly makes sense because the gnats have been really bad lately. So not all of them have them though. We're gonna do some more research on that one.
Okay, Mom.
What?
I'm gonna put all the stickers on when we need to.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yep. We can write on them and then stick them on. All right, should we pat some of these dry and get going? Yeah. Let's do it. Can you give me one more glove, please?
Huh?
Can you give me one more glove?
200.
200. We're gonna practice with our ugly bird. Pat dry.
No, look what you did.
Start pulling. Yep. Neck down, right?
Neck down,
yes,
yeah.
neck down.
Now, what
I know.
I can't get any.
The practice chicken. You're stuck on this side. There we go. Insert tubing. Halfway down the cavity.
That's all the way down. That's halfway down.
I didn't know that.
right. For the camera.
I'm gonna put a stick.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta weigh it.
And into the hot bath. That's good.
For all the air to be pulled out.
Mom, I can tell it's hot.
It's very hot.
I know.
Which I think it's been.
No, I can feel it from way up here. I can even feel it from way up here.
Thought you broke it for a second.
Yeah, I did too. There.
All right, then into the weigher. Beautiful. 4 pounds, 4 ounces. Okay, might need, here, we can use this one for the bags to dry.
Sorry.
And
All
then
right.
put the sticker right on it. You have to peel it though. Get out.
It's a big moment.
Peel it.
Where do I put it?
Right on the
We're
top.
gonna put this. Thank you.
Sure. Good job. And into the freezer it will go.
I never see a spray on here.
I think you are going to see a sprayer. I think it's going to be a red sprayer. That one, 4 pounds. I think that is one of ours.
Well, that's
So excess.
Yeah.
Straws.
already knows.
4 pounds.
Don't wiggle. Don't wiggle.
7 ounces.
Trying to help.
I don't know.
This one done?